Welcome back, Nail Crew. Welcome back, Nail Crew. Welcome back. So in this video, you guys, I will be doing a Polygel unboxing, you guys. I get so excited when I get a brand new Polygel kit because I know you guys love Polygel, so I love showing it off. Now, before we get into that, let's give a hey, girl, hey. Hey girl, hey to my nail sister SHAVON. Hey SHAVON. So on one of my videos, SHAVON donated $5, and I really do appreciate that because the money that you guys donate, I either put it towards shipping and handling for my giveaways, or hell, I just buy myself something nice, like for real. So I appreciate it. All right, you guys, let's get into the video. So this is the box. It's called Tobe Glam, and I will show you guys the back as well. So this is what the back looks like. Has some extra notes and such on it. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Let's dive on in. Oh, hello, gorgeous. Well, how'd you know? How'd you know that I was gorgeous? I love it. All right, y'all, for real, let's just dive on into the box. Let me stop playing. Okay, so the first thing I noticed was this like envelope thing, right? And I was like, what's in here? It really has to be something in here because this is like a really nice thick envelope. So I open it and what do I see? Like some instructions, but I'm like, oh no. It has to be something else in here. But no, you guys, it's just the envelope for the instructions. I really thought it was something like a gift card or something like that. I was so excited, but no, inside the envelope, you get instructions. So I showed you guys the front and here is the back. All right, that's enough about these instructions. Let's look at the dual forms, you guys. I am so excited to show you guys these dual forms because according to the website, there are 2 different styles. Okay, so let's just pop this open and hopefully we get where we're supposed to get. So yes, I see both styles. Okay, so let me show you guys the regular size or style first. So this is size 0. Okay, so that's the underside, and again, here is the top. Just a regular dual form. We've all seen and used those type of dual forms. But what's super cool, you guys, super cool, is the stiletto dual forms. Oh my gosh. All right, so here is the stiletto dual form, you guys, and I'm putting it against the length of my nails. So if you like the length of the nails that I'm wearing today, you could definitely get that length or something close to it with the stiletto dual forms. I am so excited, you guys. I cannot wait for the demonstration part of this video. Make sure you watch the entire video. I will be playing with the stiletto dual forms. So if you want to see those in action, you got to stay tuned, you guys. You got to stay tuned. Okay, so now I want to show you the lamp. I'll also be demonstrating the lamp. Let's make sure that it works. Let's make sure that it works, you guys. Okay, you know I like to make sure everything in the kit works and is fully functional before I recommend it. But so far, I'm so excited. I'm sorry, like the dual forms itself got me excited. Okay, so now let's talk about the lamp. I love that it has the little legs. Obviously, you could pop them open and cure your nails that way. But what's even cooler is that when the legs are closed, you could turn the light on and there's little holes in the legs there. That way, you don't even have to pop them open. You could just turn on the lamp and boom, dry your nails just like that. So really cool, and I will demonstrate the power of the lamp shortly. You also get a file. So this side is the 100 side and this side is the 180 side. You can tell that because the 100 side is more coarse than the 180 side. All right, so let's look at the base coat and the top coat next. So I'm gonna open it and give it a smell for you guys because nobody wants smelly, stinky base coat or top coat. So the top coat actually smells normal, like there's no foul odor or anything like that. Now let's look at the drip time. It is kind of slow, which is good. That just means that it's a really good thick viscosity or consistency, which I like. I personally like a really good thick top coat. If you have a thick top coat, that just means you could get away with 1 coat instead of 2. You could use thinner layers and still get a nice glossy nail. However, if you prefer like a really thin base coat or top coat, you know, it's all personal preference. Okay, so here is the base coat. The drip time is a little bit faster than the top coat, which just means it's a thinner consistency, okay? Neither one of them smelt gross, which is great. And I will be using the base coat as slip solution, so stay tuned for that. Here is the brush and spatula tool. So this side is the brush end, and let me cap that. And then I'll show you guys the spatula end. So here is the spatula, one side to cut and even spread your polygel, the other end to brush it and smooth it. So let's get started, you guys. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. I'm excited. If it's your first time here, first of all, hey girl, hey. But I sing when I'm excited, and I'm excited. Okay, so here is the polygel. Oh, first of all, the color is really, really cute. And I'm smoothing it into the dual form, the stiletto dual form. Did you notice? Did you notice? I got the stiletto one. All right, so I'm smoothing it in the dual form. It's smoothing out really, really nicely. I started out with a dry brush, and then when it started to stick to the polygel, I just added a little bit of base coat in the middle and then continued smoothing it out. And pretty much that is it, you guys. That is it. Oh my gosh, I really like the consistency of this polygel. I like it. I like it. What can I say? I like it. So I'll give you more of an opinion by the time I'm done testing all the colors. Hopefully it's consistent across the entire brand, and I will let you guys know if it is or isn't. Okay, I will give you guys my honest opinion. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that cure in the lamp. Let's move on. And now I am about to swatch the clear. So same thing, I'm just putting a little bit in the dual form, and then I'm going to pat it in place. If I notice that it's sticky, I will add a little bit of base coat. But if you guys are into slip solution, definitely use your slip solution. If you rather alcohol, it is suggested that you use 70% isopropyl alcohol or even 50%, but you definitely do not want to surpass 70% alcohol. I know that I told you guys in one of my previous videos that I tried to use like 90% alcohol or even like 99% alcohol for my slip. Y'all, it ate up my polygel, okay? I had white specks all in my polygel. It broke it down entirely too much. I was like, what am I doing wrong, you guys? What am I doing wrong? Yeah, my alcohol was entirely too strong. It was breaking down the gel in the polygel, and it was just a hot mess. So yeah, I went back to using like 70% alcohol. Then I decreased it to 50%, and I had really, really good success with that. But then ever since I started using base coat for slip solution, oh, my polygel nails have just came out so much better, you guys. So if you're still using alcohol for slip and you love it and it's working for you, okay, well, whatever, don't change. But for those of you who are having issues with polygel and you're using anything other than base coat for slip, give it a try, you guys. Give it a try. It comes with the kit anyway. Put a little bit on the polygel and pat it and smooth it down into place. And oh my gosh, it just really, really makes a difference for me anyway. So once you add your slip solution or your base coat, you pretty much just smooth the polygel into the dual form. Apply it to your nail, cure it, pop the dual form off, and boom, bam, pow. Beautiful stiletto nail. Oh, like how easy. Quarantine nail sisters, where you at? Quarantine nail sisters, where are you? Raise your hand. Like, this is the kit for you. You get really, really nice polygel colors. Look at that. I love it. I love it. So far, the consistency in the polygel colors that I have tried so far is pretty much uniform. So basically, all the colors that I've tried thus far are pretty much firm. This is a firmer polygel, okay? You know I like firm polygel. You guys know if it comes to like really soft, runny, sticky polygel or something that's more on the firmer side, give me a nice firm polygel. You guys know that. So this polygel is definitely on the firmer side. I'll zoom in so that you guys could see and, you know, critique it for yourself. Also, I was watching a video today because when I got this box in the mail, I was like, okay, let me see if any of my nail sisters have done a review on this kit. Let me get their opinion. And I normally don't do that, but for some reason I was like, let me see what other people think about this kit. And I popped up on this little beauty right here. Her channel is called The Polished Queen, and I don't know how old she is. She looks really, really young, so I hope not to offend her, but she does look like a little girl. But her videos are very polished, very professional. I really enjoy watching this little girl. I don't know if she even watches me still. I know she used to watch me often. If you're still here, hey girl, hey. And I think we need a collab. I think that would be so fun for me and her to do a collab on this polygel kit. So this is my formal invitation. Polished Queen, where you at, girl? Where are you? Ask your mother if you could do a collab with me, and you know, let's make it do what it do. She has this kit, and her opinion on it was really good. Like, she really liked it. She said the polygel was more firm than she prefers, so I guess she probably likes a softer polygel. Now, like I always say, you guys, it's personal preference. So whether you like something firm like I do, like I want to put the polygel on the nail and I want to know that it's going to stay where I put it until I move it. Like, that's the relationship that I need with polygel. I need you to sit and stay. Sit and stay. But I do understand if some people like, you know, something more fluid, more flexible, more soft. You know, it's totally personal preference, like I said. So I will leave. Oh my God, you guys, look at that purple. Look at that purple. It's so shimmery. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I will leave her link in my description box. Okay, check out her video, get her opinion on it, you guys. And then, yeah, I do have a coupon code, and I'll leave the coupon code and link, all that good stuff, in the description box as well. Click the link, use my coupon code, and save yourself some coins. Save yourself some coins. Save yourself some coins. Saving money also makes me sing, apparently. All right, let me give you guys my overall opinion on this kit. I mean, you guys can tell. You sense the vibe. You know what the energy is already. This kit, I love it. I love it. I love it. The polygel did not stick to the brush. The base coat worked really good for slip solution. Woo! Now, the true test is when I pop the dual forms off and the nails look like stiletto nails. Like, that's the true test. But so far, like, what can I say? Look at that color. What can I say? Woo-hoo! That looks good. That looks good. I'm about to sing, you guys. I can't contain it. I can't contain it. Papa in the oven. Papa in the oven. Papa in the oven. I let her bake, bake, bake. What she doing? Bake, bake, bake. What she doing? Bake, bake, bake. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip it over because I cured the underside. I'm going to flip it over and pop it in the oven and bake it again. So let's sing it again. Papa in the oven, one more time. Papa in the oven for the other side. Papa in the oven, I let her bake, bake, bake. And I did bake it for a minute on the top and a minute on the bottom. Okay, so popped off the dual form, and mama is looking like a stiletto. So this is what she looks like on the bottom, and this is what she looks like on the top. It is a little sticky on the underside. It is sticky on the underside. That is completely normal. So gels and polygels, when they cure and they're fully dried, they do have a sticky inhibition layer. That is completely normal. I get a lot of questions about that. You feel like the gel is not fully cured, or you feel like your polygel isn't fully cured. It is cured. It just have a sticky inhibition layer. Again, that's normal. You can spray it with alcohol to remove it, or just wash your hands and it's gone, okay? So this is that purple. Oh my gosh, I love it even more. I freaking, oh my God, I love it. I freaking love it. Oh my gosh, okay. Moving on. Moving on. Let's see what this color looks like out of the dual form. And okay, so the stiletto shape, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. Who's impressed? Who is impressed right now? Oh my God. This is my first time playing with stiletto shaped dual forms. So I cannot contain my excitement. I just cannot do it. You guys, oh my gosh. Like, how? Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm really digging this. I am really digging this. And I cannot wait. I cannot wait to soak my nails off and do them again, because I want to try the stiletto dual form. I just want to see what it'll look like on like a real person. All right, so I'm testing the clarity of the clear polygel. Can you still see my jewels through the polygel? You can. You can. Okay. Okay, Polygel. You clear or whatever. You clear or whatever. All right. Let's look at this one. Get out of here. Get out. Some of them were kind of sticking and I had to use my tool to pry it out, but no big deal, no big deal. This is another beautiful, like pearly, shimmery color. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. All these colors are so, like whoever put the kit together, like whoever is on the team that chooses the colors for the kit, I love it because all of these colors look cohesive. I've had gel polishes, I've had polygel kits, I've had a bunch of kits where the, oh my God, my favorite, my absolute favorite. Anyway, I've had kits that the colors in the kit did not look cohesive. Like it didn't look like it went together. It kind of looked like these were leftover polygel colors and we had to do something with it. So we threw it together and called it a kit. Like, I hate kits like that, but this actually looked cohesive and I freaking love it. All right, now crew, that's a wrap. Leave me a comment below. Let me know your favorite color in the kit. You guys already know it was my sparkly purple, but then also that pink glittery one. So I had two favorites. I really couldn't decide. Let me know your favorite. I love you guys so much. Coupon code in the description box. If you love this kit, use my coupon code and save yourself some coins. See you guys next time. Bye.